Hello everyone! Space history is being made right now. NASA's Artemis 2 mission, the first crewed lunar flyby in over 50 years, has safely returned to Earth. The 4 astronauts, Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen, completed an incredible 10-day journey around the moon and back, traveling farther from our planet than any humans in history, reaching a record distance of over 252,000 miles from Earth. But the most thrilling and dangerous part was their high-speed return. Imagine hurtling back toward Earth at nearly 25,000 miles per hour. That's about 32 times the speed of sound, and fast enough to fly from New York to London in roughly 10 minutes. This mission wasn't just a trip, it was a test of courage, technology, and human ingenuity, paving the way for future moon landings and eventually Mars. Here's exactly how the dramatic return unfolded. After their successful lunar flyby, the Orion capsule, named Integrity, separated from its service module southeast of Hawaii around 7:33 p.m. Eastern Time. The crew then performed a final trajectory correction burn to line up perfectly for re-entry. The real test began at Entry Interface, about 400,000 feet above the Pacific Ocean. At that moment, the capsule slammed into Earth's atmosphere at speeds approaching 24,000 to 25,000 miles per hour. Friction instantly created a blazing plasma fireball around the spacecraft, with temperatures on the heat shield soaring to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, half as hot as the surface of the sun. The crew experienced up to 3.9 G-forces, making their bodies feel nearly 4 times heavier. For about 6 minutes, a communications blackout occurred because the superheated plasma blocked all radio signals. It was 13 minutes of pure tension, known as the Minutes of Terror, where everything depended on the advanced AVCOAT heat shield performing perfectly. This redesigned shield, which had faced challenges on the uncrewed Artemis 1 test, held strong and protected the astronauts inside, where temperatures stayed comfortable at around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. As the capsule slowed dramatically, the parachute sequence kicked in. First, drogue parachutes deployed at around 22,000 to 25,000 feet to stabilize and slow the descent from hundreds of miles per hour. Then, at about 6,000 feet, 3 massive main parachutes, each weighing hundreds of pounds, fully opened, reducing the speed to a gentle 17 to 20 miles per hour for splashdown. The entire re-entry and landing process took roughly 13 minutes from atmospheric entry to hitting the water. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Time on April 10, 2026, Orion made a perfect parachute-assisted splashdown in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of San Diego, California. Recovery teams from the U.S. Navy quickly secured the capsule and brought the crew aboard the USS John P. Murtha for initial medical checks before heading back to Houston. What makes this return so shocking and inspiring? The astronauts became some of the fastest humans ever, nearly matching the Apollo 10 speed record. They endured extreme conditions that few have experienced, all while testing systems for Artemis 3's planned moon landing. This was also a historic crew, including the first woman and first person of color to fly this far into space, plus an international partner. The mission covered nearly 700,000 miles total and proved that NASA is ready for deeper space exploration. Artemis 2 wasn't just a success, it was a bold step forward for humanity. The crew is now safe on Earth, and their journey has reignited our dreams of returning to the moon to stay. If you watched the live coverage on NASA Plus, you saw the tension and triumph unfold in real time. Space is incredible, and this is only the beginning. What did you think was the most amazing part? Let me know in the comments. Keep looking up.